afternoon. Welcome to Afternoon Sharp Sharp Tori from CHRICED Radio and TV. My name na Princess Anyana. Here the tourists them where they hot at this time. Make we start you for inside Abuja here as policemen will carry weapon this morning take over the Wadata Plaza, will be the headquarters of the People's Democratic Party PDP for inside Abuja. Inside all the Igiaga on top say the party National Executive Committee meeting go hold today. The police no allow members of the PDP Board of Trustees plus even Maina Chiroma to enter into the building of the Secretariat. As such, they no fit do their meeting for Wadata Plaza. This meeting they supposed start before they go come do the expanded caucus meeting. The policemen mount like a tough men for the gate. Now so they mount for the gate of the building and then come make sure say anything no happen for there. They stop the members of the BOT from to get access to where the meeting supposed happen. Still, Ogbonge government don't drag that Kogi Central Senator waiting for inside suspension Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan for the Federal High Court Abuja. The government dragged this woman lawyer to the case on Monday based on 6 different accusations of say she do cybercrime against Senate President Godswill Akpabio and before Kogi State Governor Yahaya Bello. The People's Democratic Party senator talks say she no guilty and Justice Mohammed Umar can give her bail based on who she be. The judge don't shift the case go September 22, 2025 to start the case. And moving on, 4 policemen and they feel say their key throw away on Sunday for Uday community. And who killed them? Them feel say na people will carry weapon when a suspected herdsmen will be one brigade the community. One of the local people there we follow to people yarn on this kili say actually now the community been called the policemen say help they won't brigade also. Immediately the police come read there and they look here look there they say come on guys calm down. That's what they tell the community youths calm down, don't worry, there's no cause for alarm, nothing they happen. They say I saw the policemen makondu why in the air to shoot a warning shot. The next thing then bam, then get another return fire from the suspected herdsmen who been they hide inside bush. They plan to brigade the community. In the end, they say 4 policemen now in the key inside the Agbasbos. And the Nigerian Education Loan Fund, NEL Fund, don't want students. Say make them they careful because he get one fake portal now. Where they send all this 419 dagbo message, where they claim, say, Oga President Bola Tinubu, don't give order, may they reopen the NEL Fund student loan portal. This one in there for inside top paper, where drop for Abuja today will be Monday from the NEL Fund Director of Strategic Communications, Mrs. Oseyemi Oluwatuyi come they talk, say that information where they spread for that online message. Now lie yo, make anybody no believe them. She can't dey ginger the whole public, especially students, parents, guardians them. Say may they know they click any link where they not feel confirm. May they no ever submit their personal or financial information on top websites them where they no trust. And Governor Abba Kabir Yusuf of Kano State now lead a very top group of people to the burial of the late business sabiman and senior countryman Alhaji Aminu Al-Hassan Dantata. The burial of Oga Dantata go happen for the holy city of Medina inside the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, according by in wish, where he died in the early moment on Saturday for Abu Dhabi inside United Arab Emirates. According by the governor, talk person Sanusi Bature Dawakintova, the governor go with Emir of Kano, Muhammad Sanusi II, with Jigawa State Governor Alhaji Umar Namadi, before Jigawa State Governor Barrister Ali Saad Birnin Kudu, and plenty other top ogadem. And make we come up for Nigeria enter for inside outside country where we say 2 US firefighters that all killed their away. The third one wunjo after one man koro in open danger start a fire, come begin to shoot at the firefighter people. They wake on to come quench the fire when he hide somewhere. Take and bush them for plenty hours. This man will carry this gun, will shoot. So where people the way they investigate say now only and one do this thing. Just begin they shoot after the firefighter people reach to that place where they for Campfield Mountain, just north of Kwa their lane, Idaho on Sunday. People that they do law enforcement and the people they quench fire. Now so this man begin to shoot them like a sniper for inside this thing where happen. And then one special weapons and tactics team, what they call SWAT, be later locate one man who don't die close to where the Glasgow's for happen. And now here, now we'll take close mouth on top sharp tori for this time. Join us again inside the 4 o'clock hour for another beautiful one. Until then, continue to enjoy us on top all of our social media handles at CHRICED Radio TV. My name na Princess Anyana. Thank you. Say you tanda with us.